Hey guys, in this video we'll explore an important topic for anyone looking to trade successfully using effective strategies. I'm going to share a free strategy with you. The best part about this strategy is that it's still available for free and works across all markets, including Forex and cryptocurrencies. Additionally, there's a useful enhancement to this strategy that I'll explain. Professionals use this because the strategy alone may not always be enough. We need something that supports this strategy and provides a good return. You will learn how to enter and exit the market correctly to avoid price fluctuations. I will provide examples of how to use this strategy to ensure it's clear and that you can start making profits after watching the video. I'll explain everything professionals use in scalping trades, including their methods, so you'll have a general understanding and be able to develop a method that suits the market and is profitable for you. First of all, let us know about stock indicator trading tools. This indicator is called Lines Cross. This indicator works with two main settings using price action. The first trend line is based on a 120 candle close of the highest and lowest prices. The second blue trend line is based on the RSI line, using 14 periods and closing prices, which helps to follow the trend wherever it goes. Stop loss, red line, and take profit, green line, will be calculated automatically based on trading system theory with wedges and channels. Once the price achieves the take profit level, it will trigger an alert. The nice thing is that it uses the best stop loss indicator, ATR, to calculate the stop loss. Risk equal sign 1% of capital will be calculated for each trade you make. Now, I will show you how to trade using the scalping indicator. Let's start the video. We will open the 1-minute chart. First, we will search for the Lines Cross indicator in the search box. After that, we will choose the first option. We will keep the settings as they are. Let's see how we use these trading setups when the Lines Cross indicator gives us an entry signal. It gave us a sell signal. As you can see, it has determined the appropriate place to set our stop loss based on the ATR indicator. The green line determines the profit-taking level. From here is our entry point. Here we have a line, which is the entry point. It will follow the price until it shows you where you entered. These three lines will follow the price and will not disappear until the price hits the target. By the end of this video, you will be able to successfully enter any trade using four main factors, whether you use indicators or rely on technical analysis. The first is managing risk before each trade. The second is entering at the right time. The third is exiting at the right time. The fourth is entering when there is enough liquidity in the market. The indicator closed the trade with a 60% profit due to a sign of a trend change. This allows you to protect your profits in the event of a trend reversal. It's taken a buying position now, which is excellent because it aligns with the trend, reducing the risk of losses. As before, it set a stop loss and take profit. I hope you like this trading strategy. If not, don't worry. There are examples of some trades that will help you understand it better. You will see this in both cryptocurrencies and Forex. The price has reached the target. Another buy position has been taken, indicating that the trend is continuing to the upside. The price has reached the target. Now I will present to you another indicator that you can combine with it if you want to trade in Forex, because the situation is different from trading in cryptocurrencies. In Forex trading, we need strong movements to gain more quickly. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, it follows specific trading sessions. The Tokyo session, the London session, the New York session, and the Sydney session, therefore, we have a specific timing for liquidity to enter the market. The cryptocurrency market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends and public holidays. Variable liquidity does not follow the same session patterns as the Forex market. Therefore, we will integrate another indicator to help us trade successfully in the Forex market. We will search for market session in the TradingView search box. Then we will choose market session by Leviathan. As you can see, I have 3 sessions: Tokyo, London, and New York. The indicator shows us the areas where the market opened. As you can see, these areas did not have strong movement because the market was not active here. These colors show us the overlap between sessions. Liquidity increases during these overlapping periods when trading volumes are high. The best time to have high liquidity is when the London session overlaps with the New York session. Let's combine the second indicator with the first to use in Forex trading and see the results. The market is not open yet, so avoid trading here. Tokyo has now opened. It's taking a buying position now, and we can expect strong movements at the start of the session. Traders, along with banks, will enter with pending orders, resulting in significant market movements. The price has reached the target completely. In my trading experience, the best time to trade is during the overlap of the London and New York sessions. However, it is not necessary to limit it to a specific session. Remember, when you see an opportunity, don't miss it.
It's the moment investors around the world wait for, the 9:30 opening of the U.S. markets. Inside Citadel's Chicago headquarters, it's eerily quiet, even though this firm trades more stocks every day than the New York Stock Exchange.
Now, 2 minutes they open, so we're about to get going here.
Is there any equivalent of a bell that we're going to hear or see?
I have a world clock up there. That's about it. We're just going to hear the air conditioning above us.
The equivalent of the NYSE's opening bell is just this. Millions of orders that have been waiting all night for the markets to open are rapidly filled by Citadel's computer programs.
How do the books look, guys? So we're pumping through a lot of volume right now. You can see how quiet it is. The phone's not even ringing. Clients are happy. If there was ever an issue, obviously we would spot it first and the phones would light up. We have executed 21 million shares already.
Wow, and we are not even 3 minutes in.
If you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.